Alright, so the second trailer is full. Well, not full, but it's ready to go. We have everything over. We're already under the sidewalk. We have everything ready for tomorrow to start cleaning the wall and then start the waterproofing. Well, the hydraulic concrete and then the waterproofing. It's all ready to go. Alright, so here we got 2 coats in. We're going to put a 3rd coat in. The sun was really cooking this stuff earlier. The sun's not here now after lunch. The sun's usually going the other way. As you guys see, everything is sealed right here. Now we're going to give it little touches here and there. Give it the last coat. To then start cleaning all this rock and all this stuff. Getting everything repitched again. And start putting some drainage in. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. Look at the crap right here. Not working. Just through this whole area. How you doing? It's all in there. Alright, so we're under the sidewalk with the dual wall as always. I can show you we have a complete drop from everything. No gimmicks. See the bubble at the back. So what we're going to do is we're going to run the sump pump line right to this 4-inch. That way we can run those 3 downspouts into this 4-inch going out. So in case, you know, the pump doesn't work one day or something happens with the electricity, the only water going into the dry well and for the pump to lift it is the water from the French drain. The downspout water is going to keep flushing all the way out to the street. So it's going to take a little detail right now, but we're going to get it done. So here we are, we're covering the pipe. The downspout portion, I'm changing this up too. I'm going to run them over top. That way I could get fall to the front because we're so deep for the French drain. So we're running the French drain pipes together into one in there and on this side too. Everything's stitched down there. And that's how you want it to pump the water out to the road. Alright, so we're putting some nice topsoil in. And then we have the sod to put over top. And it'll look like we were never here. Just got to cover some little areas. So we're just going to sod this area right to the tip. And then get the mulch back down, get that dirt out. Client's making sure nobody ever messes this French drain up. We have a company this year that went over, and I'll post the video soon. But anyway, they didn't call 811 or anything, and then they went into my client's property and then they tore one of our blue pipes out. I mean, really bad. I mean, you really have to go crazy to tear this pipe up. But anyway, that's what my client did. He wants to make sure that his investment stays clear, free and clear forever. Alright, so we got things back in place. We just gotta get the wire out through the basin, stitch this little area up, fill this area up with rock. Everything else is nice and tidied up. This client's never gonna have to worry about this issue again. It rained yesterday. Everything's dry here. I don't know if it rained over here, but it rained yesterday. You can see we put the sod already. You can see how it needs water. We're going to put an open grate on here for the D-box. We're going to get rid of this crap. This is the old exit point, but look at how crappy these things are. You can see down there it's cracked. Let's see if you can see. It's all cracked at the bottom. That's a lawnmower running it over. Alright, we're going to get rid of it, fill it in, put a piece of sod over top, and we're ready to go. Got the pop up in place. Clean project. All that water is running right out to the front yard. With no issues. Still flowing to the front.